In this lecture, we will take one more example on error function. So we have to show that integration under the limit 0 to infinity of e to the power minus x square minus 2ax with respect to x, which is equal to root pi upon 2 e to the power a square whole times of 1 minus error function of a. So we know that error function and complementary of error function of x both are given by error function of x, which is given by 2 upon root pi under the limit integration under the limit 0 to x e to the power minus u square du, and error function of complementary of x is given by 2 upon root pi integration under the limit x to infinity e to the power minus u square with respect to u. Now let us take the left hand side. What is the left hand side? Integration under the limit 0 to infinity to the power minus x square minus 2ax with respect to x. Now, so if you want to prove the right hand side, we have to just look over there. What are the new things or what are the things in the right hand side? So first thing, there is e to the power a square, e to the power a square. So let us multiply and multiply by e to the power minus a square and also e to the power a square. So it will become, if e to the power minus a square, e to the power a square, it will become 1. So we are doing over there minus a square and plus a square, we are doing like that. Now, if we see this part, now can we write like this, which is given by integration under the limit 0 to infinity of e to the power minus x square minus 2ax minus a square, and e to the power a square we have taken outside from this exponential with respect to x. So we have taken this e to the power a square outside the integration. And now this is, if we take the minus sign outside, it is a square x square minus 2ax plus, because if we take minus sign outside, so all will become plus if we take minus sign outside. So this is x plus a whole square. So it can be written as integration under the limit 0 to infinity e to the power minus x plus a whole square with respect to x. Now if we put x plus a is equal to t, put x plus a is equal to t or u, what we have? Dx is equal to du. And what is the limit? If x is equal to 0, if x equal to 0, u is equal to a. And if x is equal to infinity, then u is also infinity. So limit will be changed according to that. So left hand side is what? Which is given by, and now what we are doing, one more thing we are doing, since in the answer it is root pi by 2, so we are just multiplying and dividing by root pi by 2. So root pi by 2 e to the power a square, this one, and 2 upon root pi integration under the limit a to infinity, because limit is changed from a to infinity of e to the power minus u square du. But this is nothing but, if we compare this expression to this, what we are getting, it is the integration, it is the error function of complementary of a, because in place of x there is a. So we can write down root pi upon 2 e to the power a square and error function of complementary of a. But we know that error function of x plus error function of complementary of x is equal to 1. So error function of complementary of a, which is given by 1 minus error function of a, and this is our right hand side. Therefore, integration of e to the power minus x square minus 2x under the limit 0 to infinity with respect to x, which is given by root pi upon 2 e to the power a square whole times of 1 minus error function of a. Thank you.